Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Excellency the judges, the respectable the committee, the honorable all of audience, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let's thank God, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, who has given us mercies and blessing, so that we can join this lovely contest, Matsani Speko 2025. Second, may peace and salutation always be given to our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, the best example for us. I'm Sahilna Rahmawati from MTSN 1 Kota Kediri. Here, I'd like to deliver my speech entitled Click, Share, Act, the Digital Green Warrior's Role in Environmental Change. Okay, let's get started. By the way, are you familiar with the term Green Warrior? Anyone knows? Yeah. According to www.google.com, Green Warrior is a voluntary or not-paid group which promotes the participation of students in learning about and improving their environment. It means students and youth can organize themselves to learn and also take action to improve their immediate environment. Imagine if saving planet was as easy as posting selfie and sharing a memes. It's very easy, right? Today, I want to talk about how we, yes, you and me, can be digital green warrior by using technology to help protect our environment. It's time to use our online presence for something bigger than just scrolling, chatting, uploading stories, and so on. Why? Because we live with our environment where we should take care of. How? First, click. Being digital green warrior start with a single click. Every day, we scroll through Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, watching videos, and reading a post. By clicking on environment content like climate change, plastic waste, endangered animals, we can start learning about the problem in our planet faces. We just need to click and share. Second, share. Spread the message. Make it viral, one of the easiest ways to help. When we share powerful stories, petition, or tips on how to be more eco-friendly, we help more people get involved. Think about viral moments like bakar laut and flood. If we can make dance trends go viral, why not make saving planets trends too? Third, act. We need to take action. This is the most important one. Doing small things like knowledge sharing, sorting organic and inorganic waste, saying no to plastic straws, or even joining cleanup events in our communities are the real action we can do as a green warrior. I have involved in Adiwiyata activities at school since last year. At that time, my school participated in the Province Adiwiyata Award, and no student joined to run many kinds of programs such as making biopori, planting trees, including hydroponic, sorting organic and inorganic waste, decomposing, and many more. We do it together and we post what we did in our through social media like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and website. Fortunately, we finally got the awards. Ladies and gentlemen, in short, the digital world is not just for fun. It's a place where we can make real change happen. We all have power to be digital green warrior. So, don't just scroll past environmental issues. Click to learn, share to inspire, and act to make a difference. Our planet needs us, and it all starts with you. That's all of my speech. Hopefully it will be insightful for us to be more care about environment for our future. But remember, the earth is not inherited for our grandparents, but by our children and grandchildren. I'm Sahilna. Let's go and save the world. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.